To edit any text on the page, when you're at 50%, you can click on the section and then click Quick Edit. That will let you quickly edit all the content within the section. Or you can zoom into 100% and you can click on the element you want to edit and a small menu will appear. From there you can edit the text and you have a few other options. Once you click Edit Text, a panel opens on the right and you can change the heading style here. You can change the font, the size, and you can add effects like bold or italics. If you don't like what was generated from earlier, you can change whatever you have in the text field. If you want to move the text element to a different spot on the page, you can just click it, and while you hold it, you can drag it anywhere you want. As you're moving things around, you'll notice these pink alignment guides. Use those to make sure your elements are aligned nicely with everything else. Since we're working from a template, a lot of the text on the page will be placeholder content. So you can always edit this copy to be exactly what you want, or you can get some help by generating text with AI. Here, describe what you want to generate, then click Send. You can keep editing your description until you get something you want, or you can use some of these quick actions to modify it. Once you're happy, you can copy this text, or click Use Text to drop it right in. And just like before, you can always continue to make changes manually.